Hello, thank you for checking out Mr. Ware's videos. And today we're going to look at um, adding on to a previous video, which was how to um, do an in and out box. This is a completing a table using a x and y function. So you got a function here that says slope intercept, and we're going to try to figure out what y is by plugging in x. So we're going to plug in x, which is really our in, and we're going to find out y, which is our out, by the rule of whatever we put in plus 9. So it's just like the in and out box, with the x being the in, the y being the out, and the rule being plus 9. So what you're going to do is you're going to take all of these x's and plug them in for x, 6, 3, 9, 7, and 5. I'm just going to plug those right on in. 6, 3, 9, 7, and 5. And each one you're going to add 9 to. That's the rule. But it doesn't say rule, it just says x plus 9. So you're going to have x plus 9, in this case, 6 plus 9. And you get 15. And you can just type it in the calculator. 6 plus 9 is 15. All right. And then you can just add the 3 to 9. So 3 plus 9 is 12. So you get 12 when you do 3 plus 9. And you just keep typing each one of these in your calculator until you get the whole box filled out. And that's it. Let's take a look at another example. All right, so this one's slightly different because when you plug in the x, we're going to multiply it times 4, then add 7. So the rule is to multiply it times 4 and then add 7. But you still have the in, which is your x, and the out, which is your y. So I'm going to go ahead and set it up. Got my rule for x plus 7. And here I put a parentheses where the x will go. But still, I'm going to do 4 times whatever this is plus 7. 4 times whatever is here plus 7. And what's they're going to be there is the x. 5, 7, 2, 1, and 6. So now I'm going to go ahead and write those in. Okay, so now that we have those in, what we're going to do is just type these in the calculator. So the first one I typed in, 4 times 5 plus 7. You can type the whole thing with the parentheses and everything. Hit enter and get 27. So you don't have to do this multiplication. 4 times 5 is 20 and then add 7. Just type the whole thing in the calculator, hit enter, and get 27. All right. Now I'm going to go ahead and type the next one in. 4 times 7 plus 7. I get 35. Put that in. And you just keep going all the way down until you fill out your table. And that's it. Okay. So that is using the slope intercept, the y equals mx plus b form, plugging in your x, multiplying it times the slope if there is one, or just adding the number, okay, and filling out a table. I want to thank you for checking out Mr. Ware's videos. Have a nice day.